In this particular video, we will look into the different three steps of the sexual reproduction which is present in the case of kingdom fungi. We will also look into the basis for division into classes and the names of different classes which are present. Now, starting with the sexual reproduction, the three steps are: the first is plasmogamy, the second is karyogamy, and the third is meiosis. Now, plasmogamy refers to the fusion of protoplasm. So, this plasmo refers to the fusion of protoplasm. So, there will be two haploid hyphae or gametes which will fuse, and the process will be called as plasmogamy. So, we can say that in the process of plasmogamy, if this is one gamete or hyphae, this is other gamete or hyphae, it will have nuclei. Now, these protoplasms have fused, but the nuclei have not fused. So, in this case, this is the fusion of protoplasm, and this structure will be formed here. Now, after plasmogamy, the second step will be karyogamy. So, ideally in karyogamy, these two nuclei, so these are haploid NNN nuclei, these should fuse. Now, in this two steps will be there. Reshoot for karyogamy. In the case of karyogamy, after this plasmogamy happens, there will be two nuclei which will be present. Now, two things can happen. The first thing is that these two nuclei will fuse as soon as plasmogamy happens. So, as plasmogamy happened, these nuclei also fused and resulted into the formation of diploid cell. So, this is the normal case. Now, the second case occurs in fungi such as Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. Now, in these fungi, what will happen? After plasmogamy happens, these nuclei will not fuse immediately. So, this particular stage will continue for some time, and this particular stage we will call it dikaryon, and this phase will be called as dikaryo phase. Now, after formation of this dikaryon, then these two nuclei will fuse and this particular structure will come. So, we can say that in the case of karyogamy, there can be two ways. In the first way, immediate fusion of nuclei was there, but in the second case, nuclei will not fuse immediately. There will be intervening dikaryo phase, and then this particular karyogamy will happen. So, in both the cases, it will be formation of diploid structure. After karyogamy, the third step is the meiosis. Now, meiosis will happen in structures which are called as fruiting bodies, and in these fruiting bodies, once meiosis occurs, then obviously this 2n structure will again convert to the haploid structure, and this haploid structure is called as spore. After this sexual reproduction part, we come into the basis for division into classes. So, there are three bases of classification of fungi. We take into account morphology of mycelium. The second is fruiting bodies, and third is the mode of spore formation. So, on these three bases, we divide into four classes. The first class is Phycomycetes, the second is Ascomycetes, the third is Basidiomycetes, and the fourth class is Deuteromycetes.